Ashish.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. First of all, congrats for your placement, Ashish.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, this is Aruna from Quality Department. Okay,
Yeah.
it's just a feedback interview, Ashish. We'll start up.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, can you introduce about yourself?
So, ma'am, my name is Ashish Anand. I born and raised up in Patna, Bihar. I have completed my BTech in civil engineering from Netaji Subhas Engineering College, Kolkata, West Bengal. If you talk about my profession, I'm a passionate civil engineer. Like I want to learn each and every aspects of civil engineering, which makes the civil engineering work easy and CMTI really helps me in this as it converts my passion into profession. So yeah, this is what all about me.
Okay. Then, how did you get to know CMTI?
I got to know about the CMTI through LinkedIn, as I have mentioned in my previous statement that I want to learn thing which helps me to grow. And through all the searching on LinkedIn and YouTube, I landed up here.
Okay. Then, what and all you learned in CMTI, Ashish, about the classes, the syllabus, content?
Uh, I learned the basic and the advanced thing of civil engineering, like which college doesn't teach us, and what generally company or you can say the organization demands.
Okay. Then, what kind of a software you were learning?
I have done many softwares like AutoCAD, SketchUp. There will be a MSP, Primavera. Yeah, I have learned all the
Oh,
software.
yeah. Then what about the trainers and all? How was their approach during the sites as well as the sessions?
I like all the trainers, especially Ashok sir, Gandhi sir, and Natarajan sir. They really helped me a lot in every perspective, like solving the doubts in the courses, or if you can say the solving our career doubts. And through them, I cracked the interview and landed on this job.
Okay. Then what about the site visits and all, Ashish?
Site visits are really impressive. Like I've learned a lot from the site visits, and yeah, they are good.
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay. Then what about CMTI app? How did that help you?
CMTI app is really impressive. The content of the app is very rich. I have completed around three courses from the app, like how to crack the interview and about the green building and how technology will help the civil engineer. And this is my favorite topic also. So I
Okay.
really I really like the app.
Okay. Then coming to interview, how did you crack the interviews and all? Then how many rounds of interview was there?
Like basically there were two rounds. In the first round they have given me some work to like analyze me how much knowledge I have, and the second round were the face to face interview.
Okay. Then how did you crack the interview?
Like
You were
I don't,
prepared.
yeah, I have prepared, and the trainer helped me a lot, and I was
Oh,
confident that I will crack
yeah, that was good.
it. Yeah.
Okay. Then how was the trainers of CMTI during the coordination of the placements?
They were good. They helped me a lot. Like actually, from them I will get the confidence. Actually, there is a tag of CMTI gain your experience, and you can say there are some chronology in between these words: experience, confidence, and knowledge. If you have knowledge, then you will get the confidence, and through the confidence you will get the experience. So
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
sure. Then what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
Uh, I would recommend the CMTI to each and every civil engineers because here you actually gain your experience. And to the juniors, I would like to say always contemplate about the process of learning rather than contemplating about the result. Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, that was a good feedback, Ashish.
yeah. Thank you.
And thanks for your time.
Thank you,
Once
ma'am.
again, congrats for your placement and all the best for your future. I hope you'll be in a very good heights.
Yeah, yeah, yes, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank
Ashish.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice
Have a
day.
nice day, ma'am. Yeah, thank you.